welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making Time's Up. In Time's Up, there's 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of guava juice, an ounce of lime juice, an ounce wild ginger syrup, and half an ounce of Tiki spices. If you didn't know this, making drinks is kind of like chemistry and science, and I believe because I like science and chemistry, I love making drinks too. In chemistry, you mix elements and atoms, but in Tiki drink making, you mix different types of ingredients and to make something really good or to make something new, which is why I like making Tiki drinks. Okay, so first you pour in the half ounce of Tiki spices, then the 1 ounce of wild ginger syrup, and I already have ice in here, and today we will be using the dirty ice instead of clean ice, which is just new ice in a cup. The ounce of lime, and this is another way of measuring how much you put into a drink. 2 ounces of guava juice, and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And that is 6.5 ounces. Usually drinks are between 5 to 7 ounces of liquid. And you put the lids on and then remember to shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. Okay, and then you take the cup or a glass or whatever this thing is. And you pour the drink into it. Everything, not just the drink. If I can take this thing off. There we go. And then you pour everything into it. And try not to make a mess, like I did. And you put the lid on, and then you don't have to use a straw, but I will for my drink. It's delicious. That's how I make the Time's Up, and our Time's Up. Hope you enjoy your drink. See you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye. Okay. Ooh, pebble ice, or chewy ice, as I like to call it.
Chewy ice. Yeah.
Wait, are you recording right now?